Okay, Ella, this is actually for you, but for anyone else that needs help getting OneDrive at home. So, that out of the way for us. So first, what you need to do is obviously you need to be on a Windows machine. Okay, we're on Windows. You don't need to see that either. We're on a Windows machine. Okay, but we want to go to OneDrive on here. All right, and I want to go to sign in, Microsoft OneDrive. We all have a OneDrive because of our Southline account. So you're going to do, I already have mine on here. So it's my school email address, and you'll log in. Okay, there's my password. Might change to this blue or something like this. Not sure, not positive. But then what'll happen is you'll see like recent stuff that you probably did in our class. But if you go to my files up here, this should be what your OneDrive looks like. Now yours won't have all this stuff, but you'll probably have Technical Drawing or Technical Drawing 2022 on here. And this is where you can access, see there's our border and title block that we did a while ago, over a month ago. All that stuff's there. It'll look like this weird little icon. That doesn't matter. You're just looking for .dwg file. So what that now means then is that you can download and open this. Very similar. OneDrive is basically just like Google Drive, or your Google Drive. And now you'll be able to open it, and you can see I have AutoCAD 2023, so I could open that border and title block that we did there. Now, once you do that, you just download it. Let me see, there should be like a button or something that you, boom, go download there. It'll be in downloads, and you can open it. So any of your stuff that you're saving at school should be in here. All your AutoCAD stuff should be in here. We're still going to use it once we get to solid modeling, but all this should be here. Then what my computer did, and I think what most of them do because they're all Windows and Microsoft machines, is then if we go down here, or even if we go to File Explorer, down over here, your OneDrive will then be available. You may have to hunt for it, maybe down over here. Mine's open because I just looked at it before I did this video. But then you can see here, here's all my stuff. This is exactly what this looks like at school for me. All this stuff is on here. You can see here's my Technical Drawing 2022. This is the same thing I just opened on the Chrome version. Sorry, I guess I closed it. But you can see that's the border and title block, just like as if we were at school. So it probably will integrate into your Windows. But if it doesn't, you can just continue to go off of Chrome and do the OneDrive thing there. And just, like I said, just go to sign in. You just have to go this route. I don't know why it's making me do this again, but there you go. Pops up. My files over here should have your name or your username at least, and then you can see here's just what we were looking at down right here. You can see there's all my stuff basically matches up. There's Inventor 22 COVID, Inventor 22 COVID. So it's right there. This is just the online version. So that's how we do OneDrive at home.